Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to remove the background in any photo using Canva. Open the Canva app on your phone and make sure to log into your account. Tap on the plus button at the bottom and select the size of your media. If you want to post on Instagram, select the Instagram size. You will see various tools at the bottom bar. Tap on the tools to view the different templates here. Tap on the gallery button and allow the app to access your gallery. Go to the upload button to upload your files. To add a photo from the gallery, go to the gallery button. Select the photo you want to remove from the background. Resize the image on the screen and tap on the effects option. You will see BG Remover. Tap on it to remove the background. It will remove the background and go to the design tab. You can select any design by searching the name. Select the photo to add it to the background of the image. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.